Hey, what's up? My name is Jake, and today I'm going to be reviewing and discussing the Luxeoria leather toiletry bag. This bag is super awesome. It is made of 100% genuine leather, and it has this strap on the zipper, so it's super easy to open and close, and it has reinforcement stitching over here, so you know you're going to get a lot of use out of it. I know it might look kind of small, but you can fit a lot of your toiletries in here. I mean, for what I need, it's pretty spacious. I could see you taking this bag when you go, flying on an airplane, if you're going to the gym. And personally, I like to bring it into the office. I think it looks super sleek, and it's nice to have there when I need a little refresh. I really like this bag. I think it looks super cool, and I love the way it feels. I also really love the tag on the zipper. It makes it super easy to open and close it. So it's great for when you're on the go. But one thing I think I would change is perhaps in the middle having something divided into two sections so you can stay a little more organized. So definitely check out the Luxeoria leather toiletry bag, and thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more content like this, make sure to subscribe.